Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 11 from Chapter 1 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, it says, suppose your bathroom scale reads your mass as 65 kilograms with a 3% uncertainty. What is the uncertainty in your mass? Okay, the uncertainty is the qualitative measure of how much a measurement can deviate from the expected value. And so let's write down what we know. We know the mass is 65 kilograms, and the percent uncertainty, I'll use percent UNC, is 3%. And we're looking for the uncertainty in the mass. So the script D and then M. All right, percent uncertainty is equal to the uncertainty, let me use M for mass, divided by the measurement itself. Okay, so the uncertainty in the mass is the percent uncertainty times the mass. And so we have the uncertainty is the percent uncertainty, so we have 3%. We need to convert that to a decimal, so we do that by dividing by 100%. And then multiplying by the mass, which is 65 kilograms. This gives us an uncertainty in the mass of 1.95 kilograms. Now we need to match decimal places in the mass. The mass is given as 65 with no decimal places, so that means the uncertainty can have no decimal places. So our final answer will be the uncertainty of the mass is 2 kilograms. I hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.